everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an infrared obstacle detector. The materials needed are a breadboard, infrared sensor, buzzer, jumper wires, a breadboard power supply module, and a 9-volt battery clip, and a 9-volt battery. Now let's see how we connect all the components together. Now let's take the first component, the breadboard power supply. This will allow to connect USB power source or a 9-volt battery clip connector to connect easily to the power socket. Also, by changing the jumper clips, you can change the voltage output to 3 or 5 volts. The next component is an infrared proximity sensor. Now let's look at the parts inside in the infrared proximity sensor. The clear one is the transmitter, and the black one is the receiver. This blue part called the potentiometer, it allows to increase the resistance and decrease the resistance by turning the knob in the middle. Turning the potentiometer will change the distance range it can detect objects in its path. Now let's fix the infrared sensor to the breadboard. Let's do the rest. The breadboard power supply is not a must. You can connect a power source directly. The infrared sensors in the circuit will help detect obstacles within the range of 2 centimeters to 30 centimeters.